Hi, I'm Gillian Lacey. I'm a civil servant and I live in 15 Clearburn Road in Gorebridge. My house went on the market 2 weeks ago. We decided just before Christmas that we wanted to move back through to be near my family after having a baby in November. I was really worried about putting my house on the market and the stress and everything that's caused, especially having a young baby. We had 3 estate agents out to value the house. McEwan Fraser came back with the highest quote, but I really liked the estate agent that came round. It was very personable, spent a long time speaking to us about the house we were wanting to move to, and he was really enthusiastic and positive about the house, whereas the other 2 were very businesslike and just came around and told us about our house and how much they were going to offer us to put on the market for and then left. So we had to think about it and decided it would go with McEwan Fraser. The house went on the market really quickly. The photographer was round within a couple of days of us saying that we wanted to go ahead with the sale, and by the end of the week the house was in the market and the schedule and everything was ready. The very next day we got a first phone call for somebody wanting to come and view the house, and within the first week we had 13 viewings round to the house. We went on Friday. By the Monday we had 3 formal notes of interest and McEwan Fraser put a closing date on it by the Thursday, so by Thursday our house was under offer. Everybody at McEwan Fraser was really nice. We had no problem getting hold of anybody. Anytime you phoned up, anyone could help you, and we did have the manager, one that was in charge of the sale of our house, and she was really nice. It was really not very stressful at all. I had no problem with it, and I'm really glad that we did it. We used online message board every day. It was really good to see how many people were looking at the house, how many people were requesting home reports, and you could see that everybody that was working there were actually trying to sell our house. So yeah, I wouldn't have any problem recommending McEwan Fraser to anybody. I've been really happy with them.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.